Hello, everybody. Welcome to my final presentation. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys what WOD-Wise, your AI trainer, is all about. But before I show you the app, let me tell you a little story about myself. A couple facts about me. My name is Gianfranco Pigatto. I'm from Uruguay. I'm a software engineer. I'm very passionate about CrossFit. I train it all the time. Uh, and also, I have a back injury exactly on that spot. So, as soon as I started feeling these pains, I immediately went to the doctor, of course. I first went to a general practitioner who, after a little talking, referred me to a physiatrist who ran some tests on my body, and at the end of the day, referred me to a traumatologist um, who got to identify what the source of the pain was. So that was really helpful. And apparently, I have a disc protrusion on my lower back. So although all these doctors were from all different areas, they all told me the same thing. They all told me that my CrossFit days are gone. And I was devastated. This was kind of my face with the three of them. It's extremely hard to hear that you have to stop doing the thing you love. So I didn't know what to do. I went talking to some friends at the office. I talked with some friends at the local CrossFit box, and I was kind of surprised to hear that they are going through some injuries themselves, or at least they know someone who is going through them. And they told me something that I'll never forget. Like, how come Ronaldo from Brazil kept playing soccer after getting his ankle, like his knee, like after having several knee injuries and operations, and he still played soccer? How come Maradona, after getting his ankle destroyed, kept playing soccer and was able to play in a World Cup? So I went to see Dr. V, who I love very much. He's a doctor specialized in sports. And to summarize it, he told me I just need to recover from my injuries while being smart about the way I train. There's no need actually to stop training. And that's when it hit me. So, like, I didn't have to stop doing the thing I love. I just needed to be more mindful about the exercises I do. Now, I want to help other athletes the way that Dr. V helped me. So I want to create something that, given a personal injury or a clinic history, it is able to give assistance and plan workouts with those injuries in mind. And that's how WOD-Wise was born. It's a smart assistant that combines different tools and techniques to create exactly that. Athletes can upload their clinic history or documents regarding their injuries, and this is gonna give them some workouts or plans or answer the questions they may have. But before I show you the real application, let me talk you guys through the overview of how this works at a high level. So this is a simplified diagram of what we're about to see. So we have a front-end application, we have a backend, we have an administrator agent that uses enhanced RAG, it uses some external tools. We have Langsmith for observability. We have an evaluation agent that identifies if the answers given were helpful or not. And that's pretty much it at a high level. So now, without further ado, let's go to the app. And over here, we can see a lot of things. And me, as a user, as an athlete, I'm able to select between different trainers. Each of them, it's like a different persona on the app with different experience. And depending the one selected, it's gonna give me different answers based on their experience. Over here, I can upload my clinic history or my injuries as PDFs, and they're gonna get loaded over here. As you can see, we already have a bunch, but we're gonna be using, for the sake of this demo, this PDF as if I was Juan Dan. As you can see, it's just one chunk long. It's very, very short. It's just a PDF with one paragraph long saying that Juan has a protrusion and he has some pains over there. And that's basically it, like super simple. So let's try to ask the agent a question. I'm Juan Dan. Should I do box jumps? And while these things, let me show you guys what it's doing behind the curtains. Well, we already got the answer, but let's take a look at this first. So once we receive the query, the first thing we're going to be doing is take a look at the cache. And if we have something already, like if the user already asked that question before, it's going to take a look at the cache and return it. If it didn't, it's going to analyze the query and try to identify the intention of the query. If it was a workout question, because the user wants some workout plans, it's going to refine and format the answer accordingly. The same with an education question and a general one. They're kind of different. Uh, After doing that, it's going to take a look at the local document and evaluate their confidence. If it was lower than zero point 0.7, it's going to do a quick search on PubMed. If it's higher than that, it's going to synthesize the information, it's going to take a look at the scoring, and it's going to generate the response. If that response wasn't helpful at all, it's going to refine it and throw it back to the administrator agent. If it was helpful, or if it reached the maximum amount of attempts, it's going to cache that response and finalize it. That's going to get returned to the user. And as you can see, we got this answer over here. And it identifies that the user has a disk protrusion over there. So, and this is what something I was kind of expecting, because the AI should go against the user doing these kind of workouts, because they could be painful and have a high impact on, because they have a high impact on their lower back. And it says like, if any exercise that causes you pain, it should be avoided. It suggests alternatives. It tells you to consult a professional and focus on formal mechanics. The AI identified this question as an educational one, but we could ask the AI to give us those alternative exercises, for us to train the same muscles but without having this impact on the lower back. And that's pretty much it. So imagine now that we have many different um, PDFs uploaded into the database. The LLM someday is going to be able to understand and refine which workouts were more effective than others given specific injuries. So it's going to, at the end of the day, give us better responses. And that's it. That's WOD-Wise. With this, athletes can upload their injuries and get some workouts with those injuries in mind. Hope you like it.